Hello guys, in this video we're going to be looking at operators in C. So in C we have different types of operators. Operators such as arithmetic operators. For arithmetic operators we're talking about things like addition, multiplication, division, so plus, minus, star, divide, and modulus division. We have relational operators, which we're talking about things like the greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, equal to. So we'll start right away. And there are others, right? There are others. There is bitwise operators, right? There's ternary operators and many others. So in this video we'll be looking at we'll start with arithmetic operators. So I'll just declare integer a to be 10, comma b to be 3. So I'll just do a simple printf statement, and I say addition %d \n, and then here I'm going to do a plus b, right? So let me have my return 0. So this is basically what we'll be doing. And so hash include, okay, double I. And now I'll just copy this and drop. Right, so it gives me 13. So I'll just copy this and drop, and I put here subtraction. Then this will be minus, so expected to have 7. Then I have for multiplication, so we change this to the star. Then we have for division, we change this to divide. Then we have for modulus division, so modulus division will keep the remainder as the answer after an integer division. So if I run this, then I'll have the expected output, right? So 10 divided by 3 modulus division by 3 gives 1. Okay, so the next set of operators that we're going to look at will be relational operators, like I've said. So I'm just going to continue with this. Let me make this as comment such that that one doesn't print again. So I'm just going to do a printf statement, and I'm going to use the double equal sign. So I'll just write here that let me say a greater than 5. So since we're doing relations, so it's going to give me either a true or a false. So I'm just going to put a bigger than 5. Definitely 10 is bigger than 5, right? So it's going to print yes. It's going to print true. We're going to print 1, where 1 indicates that it is true, right? Okay. And for the other cases, it's going to print if it prints 0, it means that it is false. So I'll just do again another printf statement. So, and I'll put there that a double equals to 10, which is going to be another 1, right? %d, and I put a comma, a double equals to 10. Yeah, I can print f a less than 20. No, a less than 5. So I have the a less than 5. So \n. Then we have what double equal sign, greater than or equals to, and then also we have the not. So let me just do the not. Printf a is not equals to 5. So I do the %d \n, comma, a not equals to 5, right? So that is good for the various operators. And then now we have what is also known as, okay, good. So I didn't have a backslash n here. So all right. So we also have logical operators. So let me do printf and put the logical operators. Put a backslash n. Okay, for logical operators, we're going to be looking at something like we have the AND, we have the NOT, the logical NOT, and so we also have, so I can say something like printf not a, right, %d backslash n not a. Let me see what happens when I say not a. So, and then after this, we're going to look at the assignment operator. So it gives me 0, right? So it just reverses the order, right? So that is what happened, right? So now I'm going to look at the next set, which is assignment operators, right? So for assignment operators, right, so we have something like this. So we have like the plus, equal, and we have the equal, which we have seen examples like a equals to 10. Then we have the plus equal, which means something like a is equals to so if I do like this, if I do like a plus equal 3, right, then I expect to have something like a is equals to the value of a plus 3. So in that light, we have also minus a, we have star equal, we have divide equal, right? So I'm just going to do some examples. So that's why I'm putting them in a comment. So I'm just going to do an example. So I'll just do printf, and there I'm going to do that. So the value of a is 10, so I'll just do integer. Okay, the value of a is 10, so I'm just going to do a plus equals to 3. Then I'm going to print value of a is %d backslash n, and I put there a, right? So this place I expect to have the value, so I want to printf assignment operators backslash n. I put this and then I put backslash n, semicolon. So okay, it's 13. So I'm just going to do the same for the others, right? So if I do something like a star equals 3, and so the new value there will be 13, 30. No, a has changed, so a is now divide 3. So here a goes to 13. A goes to 13, then a becomes 13 times 3, 36, then divided by 3 goes to 12. So let's see. No, semicolon is missing here, and it's missing here. So a is 10, so plus 3 will be 13. 13 times 3 will be 39. 39 divided by 3, it goes back to 13. Yep, good. We have it all correct. So similarly, we can do for subtraction, and to do for subtraction, so I can do I just do minus and the new value of this, so a goes back to 10, right? So what do I have? Oh, I have this. Okay, so the next type of operators that we'll look at will be yep, so a goes back to 10. So the next type of operators that we're going to look at is what is known as increment operators. So for increment operators, we have the plus plus and minus minus. So it all depends where you put it. So if I have like b plus plus, now since we're working with a plus plus, this will mean that we're doing the current value of a will be a plus 1. So that will be 10 plus 1. So will give us 11. Now if I do it behind, like if I do minus minus a, then this will be a is equals to a minus 1. Right, so we expect it to go back to 10. So let's look at if it's actually doing what we want. Print a plus plus, then print f, new value of a is %d backslash n comma a, print, then so I do minus minus a, then print f, after decrement a is %d backslash n comma a semicolon. Okay, so the new value of a goes to 11 because it was 10 here. It goes to 11 and then we decrement it back to 10. Okay, good, so fine. So the next type of operators that we'll have to look at will be conditional, or you can put there that ternary operators. Now this ternary operators works like this. So I'm just going to make a comment there. So we have a condition, let me put in bracket condition, then we have the equal sign, we have the expression, if that condition is true, this expression is going to work, else another expression if the condition is false. Right, if this condition is true, then this one would execute, else this one execute. So let's do a simple example. So I'm going to do printf, in bracket I'm going to put ternary operators, backslash n and backslash n. Okay, so I'm going to declare age to be equals to 18. Then I do like char. We've not done pointers, so I wanted to use this. Okay, so I just want to ask the question that is age greater than or equals to 18? Right, so it reverts to if it is true, then you are an adult, right? Else you are a minor, semicolon. Then now I do a printf, you are an adult, %s backslash n close, then I have result. Now I'm doing double, yeah. Okay, so if I do this and I print, ooh, you're an adult. So if I change something here to like 10, then it gives me that you are a minor. Right. So now, after doing this, right, after understanding these operators, what we can do is I'm going to give you some time to do maybe a simple exercise, or let's say, okay, so I'm going to ask you to enter two numbers, and then you just do some operations in. So for exercise, right, exercise is that you're going to ask the user to input two integer numbers, then you will do the arithmetic operators, all of it on the number, and also the relational operators on it. Okay. If you find this video interesting, so you like, you share, you comment, and if there is any section that you want that we should emphasize on, you can indicate so that we can lay more emphasis on through another video. Click on subscribe, click on the bell icon to receive notification each time that we drop a new video.